Hello, today I want to stick up for the Casio F91W's backlight. The backlight on these watches gets absolutely slated all the time. It just feels to me like it's become a thing online which folks say just to say something about the F91W, you know, oh geez, but that backlight. So I'm here to just stick up for it because it's fine, it does work. And I do completely get it. I'm not arguing that there aren't much better backlights on other watches. Of course there are. This weak little green LED on there can't possibly match some of the other backlights on other Casios. Blue EL backlight there on a W86. Beautiful amber backlight there on the A700. Yes, there are dozens and dozens of other watches, not just from Casio but from other makers as well, with much brighter backlights. But the backlights on the F91W do work. It's not the strongest backlight in the world, but if it's dark, you press the little light button and it enables you to tell the time in the dark. And I'm sick of hearing it get absolutely slated. It works okay. And while there are obviously many other watches with much brighter backlights, part of the reason why the battery life is so good on these watches is partly due to this weaker LED light on the F91W. Just to go back to a really nice, great watch like the A700, the battery life on these is rated about 3 years, and that is partly to do with the amber backlight on them. Drains the battery quicker. But battery life on the F91W is quoted by Casio to be around 7 years, but in real world use these run for 10, 11, 12, 13 plus years, as long as you're not using the features heavily, and part of that reason is for the backlight. Let's have a look at this W86 with its beautiful blue backlight. They're great, and these have good battery life as well, but you're getting a much thicker watch. Compare it to the F91 there. F91W is much thinner, and for me that's a plus point because this will slide under cuffs and gloves so easily, and it's so comfortable. It never gets in the way of anything, which is one of the reasons I love the F91W. And again, it's partly because of that backlight. If they improved it, made it brighter, you'd either get a thicker watch or you'd get much reduced battery life. So yes, I'll agree and admit that this isn't the brightest backlight in the world, but it does work. And I've got many watches, you know, analog watches that sometimes don't have any backlight at all or have some loom on there, which can be quite good, but it'll fade through the night. So again, some backlight is better than no backlight at all, surely. So I just wanted to stick up for this, really. Backlight's not the greatest, but it does work. It works okay. It's functional. So leave it alone. Come on, guys. Any of you that agree with me, let's have a show of appreciation for the Casio F91 and its weak-ish but fully functional backlight. And let's just have a look at it under some dark settings and compare it to a few of my other watches. Although I must say that it's not quite a true representation of how it looks in the flesh compared to how it looks on my camera lens. It does show up much brighter on this camera lens than it does in the flesh, but I'm able to tell the time on all my F91Ws in the dark. Might be a bit more difficult to see the date and the seconds, but for a quick glance at the time, yep, it's fine. Thank you. Thank you very much. Adios. Right, so here's a W86, super bright. There's an A700, beautiful, lovely amber backlight, lights up the entire screen. ABL 100, great, very nice amber backlight, really good. Here is just a small selection of F91s. This is a really old one, but yeah, it's lighting up. Again, that does look brighter on this screen than it does in real life, but I can tell the time, 14:28. I'm looking directly at the watch, not the screen. There's another one. It's completely dark in my room, almost completely dark. Here's another F91, 14:28 and 29 seconds, 33 seconds. Here's another one, 14:28. Yes, it's hard to read the seconds on some of them. I can make that 42. Just try and work out the right way up that way. 2:28. And 26 seconds on that one. So yeah, there's another one that's on my wrist already. 14:29. I can read the time absolutely fine.